Lazy yellow moon coming up tonight, shining through the trees. Crickets are singing and lightning bugs are floating on the breeze. Baby, get ready. Across the field where the creek turns back by the old stone road, I'm gonna take you to a special place that nobody knows. Baby, get ready. Ooh, you and me going fishing in the dark, lying on our backs and counting the stars where the cool grass grows. Down by the river in the full moonlight, we'll be falling in love in the middle of the night, just moving slow. Staying the whole night through, it feels so good to be with you. Spring is almost over and the summer's coming, the days are getting long. Waited all winter for the time to be right, just to take you along. Baby, get ready. And it don't matter if we sit forever and the fish don't bite. We'll jump in a river and cool ourselves from the heat of the night. Baby, get ready. Ooh, you and me going fishing in the dark, lying on our backs and counting the stars where the cool grass grows. Down by the river in the full moonlight, we'll be falling in love in the middle of the night, just moving slow. Staying the whole night through, it feels so good to be with you and me going fishing in the dark, lying on our backs and counting the stars where the cool grass grows. Down by the river and down by the light, we'll be falling in love in the middle of the night, just moving slow. You and me going fishing in the dark, lying on our backs and counting the stars where the cool grass grows. Down by the river and down by the light, we'll be falling in love in the middle of the night, just moving
So I guess it's over, baby, deja vu again. Who'd have thought that time don't stop, and somehow, girl, the world keeps spinning, and guess I've turned myself into a solitary man. Ain't like I'm the only one that's in the shoes that I am. Do you hear that? I'm right there at the sound of a lonely calling. Do you hear that? It's where I'm at. It's the sound of the teardrops falling down.
like actually a good lure too, eh?
What kind of test line you got in there, Kobe?
12 pound. Well, you broke your line?
Snap my fucking line.
Oh fuck.
Fucking rock. I can't fucking walk today, buddy.
Neither can I. I just fucking ate shit up there.
Oh, my toes are coming. My last coming fucking nice. Having a work day in the morning.
Don't say that.
Huh?
Don't say that.
Fucking lost 2 lures in one day.
Well, you lost one for sure.
You think I'll be able to remember that lure?
Well, we have GoPro footage of it, so yeah. Oh fuck.
Your mom is right around here.
Yeah?
Where's that?
I'm gonna use a crankbait. Fuck it.
No,
Why?
here, let me see. I want to get this. Oh, fuck.
What?
Fucking snap my thing off my talk about.
Huh.
Fucking piece of shit. Oh, I hate you guys.
What are you using?
I got some upstairs.
What are you using?
Here, I'll wait.
I'm gonna try this just for the fun of it.
Yo, Cody.
Yo.
You like to play?
Yes?